Hey guys and gals, what's crack-a-lackin'? My name is Spicy. Welcome to my channel, welcome to another video. Hey, if you're new to my channel and just now checking me out, why don't you check out a few more videos, and if you like what you see, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on anything else that I have going on. What I'm going to do today is I'm going to teach you a little garden trick that I've learned. Here recently, back on my channel, y'all seen where I went to Deep South Homestead gathering, and there I met a lot of YouTubers that follow me and that I follow them, and we watch each other's videos. Well, a very nice young lady, Grandma Rose, I met her at the Deep South Homestead gathering. We got to hang out, spend some time together. We went and ate one night together, us and a big old group. Very awesome to meet you, Grandma Rose. She taught me a trick, and I actually never thought about this, and it makes perfect sense. Let me point you down to the table. I'll show you what I got and what I'm doing. Alright, so what I got here, these are some jumbo popsicle sticks. These is what I use to mark my garden with, what plants I have and what plants I use. So let me get these opened up right quick. There we go. Let me set these over to the side. What I have here is aluminum foil tape. Use this a lot when you're insulating pipe, stuff like that. It's supposed to be waterproof and all that. Pretty much all it is aluminum foil tape. Let me get a piece pulled off right here. Alright, so here you go. Got your tape, and you can tear it off. Okay, and it's got a little sticky tape on the back of it. Pull that off, and there you go. It's very sticky, but it's aluminum foil. Look at that. Check that out with tape on it. All right, let me show you what I'm going to do with this. Stick that over to the side. I don't need it. When you're in the garden, I used to use these all the time, or on my other gardens, I'll take a popsicle stick, take a permanent marker, write what plant I'm putting this by. Like if I have a row of say Better Boy tomatoes, I would write Better Boy tomato or Better Boy on this with a permanent marker. Well, what happens is, over the season, the spring or the fall season, that permanent marker goes to fading out. And by the end of the season, if somebody comes to your garden that's new, they're not going to know what's in that, what tomato that is, or what plant that is, or trying to keep up with everything because it's all faded out. Got a trick to show you. You take your aluminum foil tape and you tear out a piece the length of your popsicle stick. Okay. Take the little sticky off the back of it. Now be careful, don't let it fold up on you. Okay. Take your popsicle stick. Let me do this on the table so it don't roll up on me. You lay your popsicle stick on there. Fold the edges over. And then fold it over on itself. Stick it down. Now that is very sticky. It's not going to come off at all. Make sure everything's stuck down. Alright, so now you have an aluminum foil popsicle stick. Now what I want to do is I'm going to use just a regular old pen. Got my handy dandy pen right here. I'm going to write Better Boy on that. Alright, so can y'all see? Oh yeah, y'all can see that. Now, obviously the ink didn't write on there, but that is pretty much etched into the popsicle stick. And if it rains, if it sleets, if it hails, if it burns up, well, maybe not burn up. You'll probably ruin it if you burn it up. But any weather conditions that you have, that's not going to wash off. Now, a lot of the tomato plants, like the Better Boys and the beefsteak and stuff like that, they look the same a lot of times. Growing, like the way I got my plants set is I have 12 plants of Better Boy. Right beside that is 12 plants of beefsteak. Right beside that is 12 plants of, I can't remember. I got like 14 different tomato plants out there. But write this on here with this aluminum tape on there, and you can see that it's indented into the popsicle stick. Stick this in the ground, and this is not going to come off. Same thing with my bean plants. When they're growing up, I have a certain bean plant to this point, and then I got another set of bean plants. And until those beans pop up and start sprouting, or putting off beans or peas, you're not going to know unless there's a certain plant that has certain leaves on it. This makes it great. I can write on here, etch my lettering into this tinfoil or this foil tape, and it's not going to wash off. It works excellent. Grandma Rose, thank you so much for showing me that. Actually never seen that before, and it makes perfect sense. So in my garden, I'll get all of these set up and put these beside my plants so I know what's going on. And if somebody else comes over, say I have somebody wants to come to pick, blah, 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 spit out your words, Spicy. Say I have somebody who wants to come over and pick some tomatoes, and they don't really know the different tomatoes that you grow. Well, I got it marked. These are Better Boys. These are beefsteak. These are, I have Whopper tomatoes. Okay, they're Whopper tomatoes. But they'll know, hey, look, they see it's not washed off. If I'm watering the garden or if it rains, it's not going to wash off. They can pick what they want to pick and know what they're picking. So I just want to show you that little garden tip that I learned from Grandma Rose. Excellent woman. I will leave a link to her channel down below. Y'all can go check her out. Say, hey, Spicy sent you. Yeah, thank y'all so much for watching. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. If y'all did, give that thing a thumbs up. Those things are great. I like those. Makes me all happy and giggly inside. Alright guys, well, that's all I got for you. I just want to come on here and show you that. Thank y'all so much for watching. Until next video, I'll see y'all later. Remember, everybody's got a little backwoods in them. I'll catch you later.